Namaskar, myself Dr. K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology. And today we will discuss about the next topic, sperm cell capacitation. After the ejaculation, the sperm cells go through several essential physiological changes during their time in the female genital tract before they at the end are able to penetrate the oocyte membrane. कि आफ्टर एजैकुलेशन स्पर्म्स के अंदर काफ़ी फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस होते हैं ताकि वो फीमेल जेनिटल ट्रैक्ट के अंदर या oocyte मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर पेनिट्रेट कर सके. द फर्स्ट चेंज इन दिस कैस्केड इज कैपेसिटेशन. द स्पर्म सेल accomplish this during the extension through the female genital tract, that is in contact with its secretion. It has to do with the physiological maturation process of sperm cell membrane, which is seen as precondition for the next step to follow, namely the acrosome reaction. Acrosome reaction से पहले capacitation is compulsory. Capacitation is a functional maturation of the spermatozoa. The changes take place via the sperm cell membrane, in which it may be that receptors are made available through the removal of a glycoprotein layer. The area of the acrosomal cap is also so altered thereby that the acrosome reaction becomes possible. Through the membrane alteration, the motile properties of the spermatozoa also change. Discharging whipping movement of the tail together with larger sideways swinging movement of the head take place. तो टेल की मूवमेंट ख़त्म हो जाती है और हेड की मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाती है. दिस टाइप ऑफ मोटिलिटी इज डेजिग्नेटेड एज हाइपर एक्टिविटी. वन कैन देयरफॉर से दैट द विजिबल consequences of capacitation consist in hyperactivity of the spermatozoa. Capacitation is what one call the changes that lead to hyperactivity of the spermatozoa and which later allow the spermatozoa to go through the acrosome reaction. Since it cannot be determined ahead of the time when the exact moment is that the oocyte and spermatozoa will meet. कोई पहले डिटरमाइन नहीं कर सकता, पहले बता नहीं सकता कि कौन से टाइम पे या दोनों की आपस में मीटिंग होगी. The maturation mechanism are so configured that various group of sperm cells are able to keep their chances of fertilization upright over a relatively long time after cohabitation. For this purpose, the ejaculated sperm cells do not all end their capacitation at the same time, thus creating heterogeneous group of sperm cells. The groups have differing history in terms of their age and their storage condition. Thus, in what concern maturation, capacitation, they are not all on the same level. This make it possible to keep fertilization able sperm cells since they mature in such a staggered sequence. One can imagine that at any given time a small population of spermatozoa may have ended their capacitation and are thus ready to fertilize an oocyte that has possibly made its way to the ampullary part of the uterine tube. कैपेसिटेशन यानी कि फर्टिलाइजेशन के लिए या ओवम के साथ मीटिंग के लिए अपने आप को मैच्योर करना, अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना, दैट इज़ द कैपेसिटेशन. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द process of capacitation. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी. Hope you are satisfied with my session, and if you have any problem, please mention it in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.